Hello everyone. Today in this video we are discussing about how to create date field in Salesforce CRM. So this tutorial is perfect for beginners, admins and developers. So if you want to store values like date of birth, joining date, follow up date or delivery date, this video is for you. So let's get started. What is a date field? In Salesforce, a date field is used to store only date values. For example, 8 to 2026, 18/7, 2000, like that. It does not store time, only the date. Use cases. For example, in where we actually use this thing, date of birth, contract start date, follow-up date, project deadline. In that place, we are going with date field only. So then how we can create a date field? So first we need one requirement. Okay. So then only we start. So first, for example, I have a receipt object. So in this receipt object, I have some fields. So in this fields, I need to add one more field like receipt approved date. So currently I have a receipt status, receipt generated date. Okay. But I need to create one more field like received approved date. So what I need to do? So first you need to select any one of the object. Okay. Then click on setup. Then click on again setup. So once you click on setup, you need to go to object manager. Okay. In that object manager, you need to select your object. So I am currently select my object receipt. So I select receipt. Then we need to go to field and relationship. So once we go to field and relationship, we can see new button is there. Click on new button. In here, we need to select data type. So our data type is date. So currently we have two data types. One is date, second one is time. What are the difference between them? So if you select date, it will store only date. If you select date time, it will give the option to accept values from user like date type both. Okay. So then for date, time zone is not impact. For date and time zone is dependent. This is for best for date of birth. Okay. This is best for sometimes we need like create a date like it. Okay. In that time we will go with date time. So we have a description like allows user to enter a date or pick the date from the pop-up calendar. Okay. So I will select date. Then click on next. So in here we need to give the label for that particular field. So I give like approved date. Click on next. Once you click on next, you can set who can see this particular field like field level security of for profiles. So if you set, I will make it as everyone can visible. Click on next. Then again once more we will click save. Now that particular field is date field is ready. That particular field is created successfully. You can see approved date. The API name is approved date. So then what we need to do? We need to go to page layout. So in this page layout, we need to check that particular field is available or not. So currently that particular approved date is present. I need to drag this into after the approved status. Then I will make it as quick save. Once you quick save, go back to home page. Now you need to refresh once. Make hard refresh once. So once it is hard refresh, go back to receipt, click on new. The particular approved date field is currently now present. So this is how we can create date field in Salesforce. I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.